Hi everyone, welcome to Gear Up Chale, another episode on Crazy Tech Space. And today we are going to unbox, bang, the AirPod Pro Max. And this one is the black one. Yeah. All right, let's get right into it. And then get the plastic out of the way. Okay, so this is the black one, and it comes with a smart case, which is just a bra. Okay, so let's get right into the box. Bang. So there you go, the AirPod Max and a bra. Okay, let's put that on the side. What else do we have here? You have, doesn't come with this. Doesn't come with a sticker. That's funny. What's up, Apple? Steam Cook. No more stickers these days. Anyway, so comes with your manual, no more sticker, and a lightning to USB Type C. That's all that it comes with. Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's move this. Let's move the boxes out of the way. Yeah, you get the AirPod, Max with a bra, your user manual, and then a USB lightning to USB C. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, all right. So it comes with this cup. So there's just paper holding the cushion down. Okay. All right. Let's look here. Out of the way. Out of the way. Yeah, that's just a bra. Nothing more, nothing less. One of the dumbest case Apple made. But anyway, it is what it is. So there you go. There you have it, the black one. A little sticker here. Yeah. So it have the digital crown, Apple calls it. It's like the crown on the Apple Watch. Apple calls it digital crown, but that's it right there. And these caps are magnetic, so it's easy to just, take it off, wash it. It doesn't have a button to turn it on and off, so once you take it off the bra, just turn on. So if you wanna turn it off, you have to put it back in the bra. And Apple say it goes into a low power saving mode, but anyway, you can adjust it right there. The Apple AirPod Max has the best ANC out there. I've tried a lot of headphones, but the Apple AirPod Max has definitely the best. Can you come out? Yeah, here's the black one. Yeah, so that's it right there. All right, so what I did is I got another one, the white one. Let's unbox the white one. Ooh, and that's beauty. And the white one looks very beautiful. Again, everything is still the same. You got your manual here, lightning to USB-C. Okay, so that's all that comes in the box. Let's put that one on the side. Yeah, man, look at this one here. Ooh, the white is beautiful. Which is this is your silver one. Apple calls it silver, but it's a white one with a white bra. Yeah, and then okay, so let's take the cups paper out. Then let's move the bra out of the way. And this is your white one, which is your silver one. Take the sticker out. So there you have it. The silver one and then the black one. Now, yeah, USB digital crown. Yeah, again, move, and get it back in. Yeah, now you've been asking, should you get the Apple AirPod Pro Max, or should you wait for the refresh? Now you definitely know that the refresh is going to have a USB C here, and a couple of like what I heard, some few colors coming through. Yeah, so it would depend on what you're doing. It's still great headphones to get. So it depends on what you are doing, what you need it for. Me personally, I got this because I have the Apple TV, and I want to be able to stream to the Apple TV. I have we have a little girl. Our entertainment setup is close by her room, so at night we want to watch something on the Apple TV. We don't want to wake the baby up, so I got this one for me, and I got that one for my partner, to help us to be able to watch our Apple stream, our Apple the content on our Apple TV without waking the baby up. So I need it, and it's a great headphones, so I got them for me and my partner. We can go ahead and watch all our movie, all our content without waking the baby up. So it's a win-win for everybody. Yeah, so should you get it, depending on what you're doing. If you need it, yeah, you can still go ahead and get it. But if you want to wait for the refresh, yeah, go ahead and wait for the refresh. I'm not going to tell you how to spend your money, but it's still a great headphones. The best one with the ANC is the best, on this headphones here. There's no any other headphones that come close to this ones. I've tested a lot of headphones. This is the one that has the best ANCs. Yep, and there you have it. This one here will definitely get dirty very quickly. If you get this, just a quick one, right? Don't forget to pick this accessory up. All right, this are great accessories. I got two of them, right? Okay, so the white one, this is just silicone, covers. So definitely you want to get yourself the silicone covers, because this will get dirty very quickly. So you want to get your silicone covers. I got the black and I got the white one. Look, you can just throw this one on there. This get dirty, it's easy to throw to wash this one, or if you can mix and match if you want to. Let's try this out. Why not? See how the black look on black on the white one, and how the white one look on the black one. Let's try this out. Bang. Now if you wanna go with black and white, there you have it. Yeah, so you can mix and match if you want to. The black ones and the white ones and the black one. Yeah, this help you to, as you can see, this thing is a fingerprint magnet. So yeah, this accessories here will help you to put this cover on it, and then you are good to go. There you go. You got your silver one, you got your black one, the bra. There you have it. So like I said, if you have the budget for it, you want to go for it, go ahead and get it. But if you want to wait for the next iteration, you can wait. For me, I can't wait, because I really need this to get me and my baby rocking. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks once again for joining me on this episode of Gear Up Chale. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.